What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Mario Virgil. Welcome to the MV Driven YouTube channel. This is my Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. It's the 992 generation. For today, I'm actually gonna install my very first mod. As you can see, my side markers right here are moist. I have been getting a notification on the dashboard that the lights are not really working properly. So I'm gonna get these removed. I actually bought some new ones. I am gonna show you guys, these are actually the original ones that come with the car. As you can see, it's the orange ones. Previous owner actually already installed these aftermarket ones, but I guess with time, water started going in and now it's moist. So I actually bought these right here from Suncoast Porsche Parts. This is not a sponsored video by them by any means. You know, I simply just went online, I found these and they look really nice. I believe they're actually very similar. They are clear just like how these used to be, but you know, I have to change these already. So to change these, I've actually seen a few videos. And I've noticed when it's the first time changing them, you do have to apply a little bit of pressure to get these out. Now, since these have been replaced already, I'm assuming it's gonna be very easy. From what I've seen online, you have to push in on this side, and with this hand, you're gonna pretty much push out. And there we go. Now, these do have a little clip where you're gonna have to disconnect right over here. There we go, got these off. This is actually pretty dirty, so I'm gonna get that clean really quick. All right, so I cleaned this up a bit, so now I'm gonna install the new one. Pretty much just clip this one in, right in here, and pretty much do the opposite of taking it out. So we're gonna put this here. There we go. So now let's check and see if they work. And perfect. Let me turn on the blinkers real quick. Perfect. So as you can see, they look way better. Like I mentioned, these are actually the original ones that came with the car. These were the clear ones that were replaced with the previous owner. As you can see, they're already moist inside, so you know, I had to get that replaced. I love how they look. They actually match with the headlights. You know, it has a similar design. This is probably the easiest mod you can do to a Porsche 911, well, 992 generation. I'm pretty sure the 991s and 997 is a similar process. If you have a 992 and you want to get these side markers replaced, check out Suncoast Porsche Parts. They actually shipped this to me within a couple of days, so that was really nice. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If this is your first time watching and you like what you see and you love Porsche, please like and subscribe to this channel. Again, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one.